In this video tutorial, we're going to cover everything you can accomplish as an administrator in your Potion account. First, those actions are found in the admin panel. The admin panel is accessed here by clicking on the word admin on the left-hand side. If you do not see this option in your Potion account, that means you are not an administrator of your workspace. And if you need to become one, please reach out to your customer success manager and they'd be happy to help you with that. So when we click on the admin button, it's going to bring us to the default section where it shows all of the users within your workspace. At this point, there are a few things we can accomplish. By clicking the buttons, the three dots on the left side, we can add or edit a user's name, and we can also deactivate a user should we need to do that. Similarly, in the videos panel, we'll actually see a list of every single video created by every single member of the workspace, where you can search by title or creator email in the top right. A few of the things that you can accomplish here are also done through the three dots on the right side, where you can edit the title of the video, you can copy the video link, and you can also copy the video GIF and link for you to insert directly into an email outreach. For more video tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.